If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am AutoCAD faculty of ngcc software technology. So today we are going to learn about sketching of states or editing of states. So here is the two ways of creating states in Revit. That is, one is you have to sketch it manually, or else you can create states ready-madely. So how it can be happen, I'll just show you in this video, and at the end we are going to learn some edits in stage. So the most preferable method of creating is sketching of a sketch. So if you use ready-made stage, then it can be more difficult to create a stage than that of sketching of a stage. It is just easy to sketch the stage in just 3 steps, as I have already showed you the sketching of states in my 2 videos of villa and apartment project. So here let's just start with stage creation first of all. So here I have a sketch stage, and after this you have this 3-step boundary, riser and stage path. First we will create boundary. So here I am creating boundary by selecting a line. Boundary in the sense the limits of states. Here is the end limit of states, and one more is the, as this is a channel type staircase, C type, so it is having 2 boundaries. This is also one inner boundary. So between these 2 boundaries we have a space. And now we have completed with boundaries, and we are going for second step, that is riser. Click on riser, click on line, and one by one draw the riser, or else you can draw one, or you can take the offset of it, or else you can create one by one. Here I am creating it one by one. Completed with riser, and now we are going to our last and final step. That now last step is state path. Click on state path and start. This is the way that from where the steps are starting and ending, so you have to provide this path to the stage. Now the states are ready. We have to edit its railing here only. So just click on railing, or you can select it here. So it is already a glass panel railing, so I didn't change it. So this is how the states are ready, and after this I'll just show you in 3D view in selection box. So this is how the states are looking in 3D. Select the states, and here the riser is high, that's why the states are somewhat up from the slab. So here first make duplicate. Every time whenever you are changing the riser size, you have to make it duplicate, warna it will not change the size. So remember to duplicate the states and then change the riser size. So here it works, and now I have to copy this stage. So here select the stage, and now click on copy to clipboard, paste, align to selected level, and here we want stage on first floor. So first floor is already selected. Okay, so this is how it is copied on first floor too. And now we are going to create another type of staircase which is on first floor and second floor. So this is how it is looking. And now going to first floor. Okay, so these are somewhat misplaced, so I'm just adjusting them using the arrows available on the keyboard. And now let's just create the staircase here. So as you have see that we have created already a C type staircase, and now we are going to create a dog leg staircase. So here the boundary is different, just after that all the steps are similar only. So here first of all we are creating the boundary, including the landing. Don't forget to include landing here and here. So end of streets and landing, and then this is the boundary between these two lanes of streets. So here I have created a boundary, and now go to riser, second step, and in riser just create the stairs at different time for one lane, and at different time for second lane. You can't draw it as a one line, two side stairs. It will take it as one stair only. So here we have done with riser, and the third step is a stair path. Take stair path and draw a path here from, and include landing. So this is how it is finished with the sketch, and now click on finish here. The stairs are ready. So railing is again glass panel only. We'll write finish, and now we can see it in 3D view. So let's just see in 3D view. Select the stage and go to selection box. Here I am adjusting the selection box. So here is the stage which we have created, and here also the riser is somewhat up than the slab, so we have to change the riser height again. As I have said before, changing the riser height you have to duplicate. So here I am copying this stage for the second floor. So copy to clipboard, paste, align to selected level, and here is the second level, and this is somewhat misplaced, so I am adjusting it here itself. So for sketching we have done with, and now we are moving to ready-made states. So here we are going to ground floor, go to stairs, and here it is. So first of all, after creating one kind of stairs, you have to just first finish this type of stairs, and then you can go to another type of stairs. So here I am selecting this. So this is how this is also created, and now again you have to go. Now this all are ready-made type of stairs, and I am keeping this here. Now finish. So I'm selecting this and showing you in selection box. So here it is in selection box. If you want to remove the side flanges of it, you can go to edit type and you can remove that flanges also, or else you can even uh, remove the railing also. So whatever the changes you want to make in it, you can make it. Just go to edit type and try the changes. So these are some kind of stills.